Hi, I'm Ruth Ann Sanfrey, and I had a knee replacement. I'm very active senior citizen, and I'm glad I'm back to being an active senior citizen. Prior to surgery, I was not very happy because I couldn't get around as well as I wanted to, and I was very frustrated being that it was holding me back in my everyday activities. The pain that I had in my knee kept me from being able to go to my grandchildren's sporting events. To walk the bleachers was a little difficult. To stand in the kitchen to cook was a little bit harder because of the pain in my knee, and just doing household chores was very hard to do with the pain and that I was having. My preparation prior to surgery was very informative, and I learned a lot. I felt that I was very well prepared for my surgery. My pain after surgery was very minimal. Even when I went home, my pain was very well controlled and minimal. I was in the hospital 2 days. I used the walker for 2 weeks. It took me 5 weeks to walk a mile. The best thing that surgery has allowed me to do is to be able to take care of myself and be pain-free and walk and bicycle and play with my grandchildren. I'm very appreciative of all of the care that the Center for Joint Replacement gave me. I'm able to do all of the things that I wanted to do and even a little bit more.